covering the Palm Beaches and the Treasure Coast. This is WPBF 25 News at 11.
Arthritis, well, it can be a problem for humans as well as man's best friend.
And Stephen Holt shows us a treatment, an alternative to painkillers that some pet owners say has no side effects.
Pets are an important part of the family, and it's always devastating to see that family member suffer from pain. Now animals and their owners are turning to lasers for relief.
There's your belly rub.
11-year-old Putter may feel like a puppy, but 3 years ago, owner Catherine Kavner noticed his running was sidelined by a limp.
And then thought, well, with him being older, that's just part of life.
There's a lot of stress in here when you use this handle like this.
Age also brought pain for 11-year-old guide dog Stanny.
He's been on glucosamine and chondroitin for about a year, and was starting to get distress in his shoulders.
1 out of every 5 dogs typically faces pains or doggy arthritis. Where drugs and painkillers have been the norm, now the red light of a laser is giving pets freedom from the pain.
This laser basically goes through tissue and gets into deep tissue, and it works basically on cells that are unhealthy, and it stimulates them. It stimulates them to produce more energy. It stimulates them to heal. It stimulates them to release endorphins. You can just feel it.
Oh yeah, it's just warm. Almost like a heat lamp or something.
Exactly.
At the Village Animal Clinic, Dr. Mike Birkenblit admits he was once a skeptic, trying laser therapy 7 years ago on his own aging Labrador, Woody.
There was no results. I mean, not at all. My dog was basically the same before as after, so it's like I'm not going to be investing in something that I don't see any results on it.
A failed treatment left drugs Woody's only alternative for comfort in his final years. But 7 years later, as lasers improved, Dr. Birkenblit was encouraged to give it one more shot.
And when I ran out of options for people, well, we've tried this drug, and we've done this and we've done that, this adds this whole other option.
An option that studies show is side effect free, and the doctor says works in about 70% of his patients, returning that puppy pap.
We were even so impressed that we looked into buying our own, laser machine or whatever, but they're too expensive.
Expensive machines, but affordable treatments at a clinic that's safe on pets and even humans.
When my back went out, I was crawling around for a weekend. I crawled myself into here, and I walked out of that room. It's like, that's pretty cool. I mean, there's no denying that.
Rub on your feet, babe. He's a good boy.
The red light of a laser helping Stanny and Putter feel like puppies once again.
You tell your friends about this and they shake their heads and think you're crazy?
Oh, I've told everybody. You won't believe this new treatment that Putter's getting. Just because I was skeptical, but I've seen the results.
Lasers won't always cure your pets, but research shows they can help them heal faster on their own. That's by stimulating the body to create healthy cells, the reason why it's used frequently before surgery to minimize downtime on the animals. And it's not just for the dogs. Dr. Birkenblit also performs a therapy on cats as well. 6 treatments run at about $250, and Ken Miles says his veterans' benefits are helping to pay for the therapy. Go to WPBF.com to find out more about this exciting technology. The link is right there on our homepage. In the Tech Center, Stephen Holt, WPBF 25 News.